Hey, listen, when you're young you feel immortal. Then life hits you with a monthly subscription you didn't sign up for. Life RX vibe. When I was young, testosterone flew sky to the roof. Now I'm older body talking back truth. Back stiff, pressure up, where my energy poof. If you're young, don't ignore it, start now, that's the move. Stretch, eat clean, sleep deep, drink water, stop the excuses. Yeah! Or you'll pay that later fee and it comes with extra charges. I was 22, I'm feeling like a superhero. Now my knees crack louder than the speakers at the stereo. Used to wake up ready, now I wake up like, where's my waist? Where? Neck tight, back tight, body looking for a safe. Young me, I don't need warm-ups, I'm good. Hold me where the foam roller, where the band, where the wood. And don't get me started, caffeine and stress. One bad week, now my blood pressure's playing chess. I'm like, doc, I'm fine, doc, like, read this list. I said, I'm only tired, he said, you've been missing basics. Facts. When I was young, testosterone flew sky to the roof. Now I'm older body talking back truth. Back stiff, pressure up, where my energy poof. If you're young, don't ignore it, start now, that's the move. Young me, anytime, anywhere, anytime. Now my bladder like, bro, we leaving right there. Right now, I'm driving on the 405, it's traffic in my soul. And my kidneys like, hydrate or we throw a stone. Used to see the menu from across the room, easy. Now I squint like, hold up, is this saucy or spicy? Vision getting blurry, posture getting wild. Shoulders up to my ears like I'm scared of being styled. And the real joke is you don't notice when it starts, till your body sends a DM like we need to talk. Hey, don't wait for the warning light. Don't wait till the pain get a microphone. Little habits, daily reps, that's the cheat code. You don't gotta be perfect, just consistent, yeah, we grow. Stretch in the morning, 5 minutes, keep it simple. Walk after meals, let your blood sugar wiggle. Lift a little, breathe a lot, fix that posture angle. Sleep like it's medicine, cause it is not a gamble. Facts. Eat real food, most days don't live on drive-thru. And drink water like you trying to keep your joints brand new. Splash. Check your stress, check your breath, calm your nervous system. Your future self will dap you up like, bro, I really miss him. When I was young, testosterone flew sky to the roof. Now I'm older body talking back truth. Back stiff, pressure up, where my energy poof. If you're young, don't ignore it, start now, that's the move. Stretch, eat clean, sleep deep, drink water, stop the excuses. Yeah, or you'll pay that later fee and it comes with extra charges. This message was sponsored by your future knees and your spine and your sleep schedule. LA, take care of yourself.